In this video, I'll show you how to install the Xfinity app on a Roku TV. If you're trying to install the Xfinity app on your Roku TV but can't find it or it won't load, it's usually because the channel isn't added correctly, the Roku software is outdated, or your account isn't signed in properly. You might notice the app missing from the channel store, endless loading screens, or sign-in errors. Don't worry, I'll walk you through the exact steps to install the Xfinity Stream app, sign in successfully, and fix common issues if it doesn't work the first time. Now let's fix it, step by step. Step 1. Open the Roku channel store. Press the home button on your Roku remote. Go to Streaming Channels to open the channel store. Step 2. Search for Xfinity Stream. Select Search Channels. Type Xfinity Stream and choose it from the results. Make sure you select Xfinity Stream, not third-party lookalike apps. Step 3. Add the channel. Select Add Channel. Wait for the app to download and install on your Roku TV. Step 4. Open the app and sign in. Launch Xfinity Stream from your home screen. Sign in using your Xfinity username and password, or follow the on-screen activation steps. Step 5. Update Roku software. If app is missing or fails, go to Settings, System Update, check now. Install any available updates and restart your Roku TV. Step 6. Restart Roku TV, if needed. If the app doesn't open or freezes, restart the TV. Go to Settings, System Power, System Restart. A quick restart often fixes loading and sign-in issues. Important notes. The Xfinity Stream app requires an active Xfinity TV subscription. Not all older Roku devices are supported. And that's it. You should now have the Xfinity Stream app installed and ready to use on your Roku TV. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick streaming tutorials.